Hello, everyone. Welcome to another What's in the Box. This time, something I picked up on a trip downstate to Albany, Illinois, and it was Galactic Games and Things. And this just happened to be sitting on the shelf, and I had seen it before and didn't pick it up, didn't think about it, and then I was like, oh, I'm grabbing that. So it is the Red Baron, glowing ghost of the Red Baron. Let me get the plastic off so we can get a good look at it without the reflections. And stab it. Stab it. Don't know much about this. Scott would be the guy to ask. I think it's a reissue of an older kit, but now they came out with this glow version. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it. We'll see more when I get into the box. Why am I having trouble? Tom Daniels, glowing ghost of the Red Baron. I think it has some chrome parts and some other different parts than the regular issue kit. So let's see how this opens up. I love the box art, though. It's kind of why I bought it, just because it looks so cool. I don't know if I'll ever build it. Made in the USA. Good thing. Let's take a look around the whole box. All right, and then let's go ahead and open this sucker. So we have from Atlantis, Tom Daniel, Atlantis, Tom Daniel on the sides. We get some decals. Nice decals. And then not that many parts. But man, look at that hot pink. Oh no! It's already apart off the sprue. Probably should have been a lot easier with it. So this thing's already kind of popped off the screw. Screw. Oh, that stinks. Because then, look, that is the chrome is already coming off there. We'll have to make that the back. And you can see the chrome's kind of peeling off there as well in the corners. This piece looks to be okay. Not broken, just snapped off at the joint. This piece came all the way off, which is goes on top of the helmet. Get right up in there. And it's got some sprues still attached to it. So I don't know. I guess I am going to paint it because I don't know if I like that you can see that white through the plastic, or even like it just wasn't like when they either sprayed it or when it was molded, it didn't take on all the pieces. So there's that. Let me get into some of these other parts here. The helmet, same thing. The helmet looks really nice though. Helmet looks really nice. It feels like one of those ice cream bowls from the ballpark. The helmet's nice. It's got a really nice reflection. You can see the reflection on there. Really, really shiny. Great reflection. This kind of just going to go right in there like that. So cool piece there. Let's see what else. There's a rubber band. I don't know why there's a rubber band. But look. Oh, I bet it's for the jaw to move. That's my guess. And I know I'll end up losing that rubber band. So again, these sprues, man, things are coming off. And I don't remember being rough with this box, but things are kind of already kind of popping off. So I'm not sure how they're supposed to go. We'll look at the instructions here in a second, but it looks like everything's there. Nothing's missing. There is a little instruction piece back in the box. I really like that skull. It's kind of got an artistic liberty to it. It's not super realistic looking. I do like that quite a bit. Those are the eyeballs that pop in there. See, now this just fell off and I didn't do anything. So might as well break that off too. There's the rubber band. Let's get in there. Let's get rid of the plastics for now. All right, so this looks like it'll just pop together. No. Well, not. There we go. That just goes together, just like that. The helmet sits on there. This goes in there. And there's our glowing ghost of the Red Baron. I'll probably end up painting it. Even though it glows in the dark, I don't want to see it. Let's get into the instructions though and see what's going on with those. I like the instructions already, I can tell. Let's see what they look like. They open up like this. Glowing Ghost of the Red Baron. Thunder and Blitzen, I'm mad. Tom Daniel tricked me. Boy, is he sneaky. All I was doing is trying to haunt him a little about the Red Baron show rod, and just look what he's gone and done. Made my ghostly image into a model that everyone can see. So I kind of like that. It's done in a more like Tom Daniels style. There's not much to this kit at all. Fit the chrome surfer helmet over the tall blob on the head. Nice instructions. So that's what's in the box. There's not much to this kit. That's what that's for. The bobble bone pushes bobble bone into the hole on top of the base. The bobble bone. That's pretty funny. So it'll bobble on there. But I like this artwork. I really do. I really like this artwork up close. Love that. So that's Tom Daniels' Glowing Ghost of the Red Baron. Not much to it. Kind of wish the pieces were still on the sprues when I opened the box. But, I mean, I don't think there's much you can do about that. Well done, Atlantis. Putting out a cool piece. Wait, let me see what it says about that rubber band. Does it say anything about the rubber band? Did I miss that? Oh, so the rubber band is so that it bobbles. This is what helps it bobble. This part here. All right. Cool stuff. Glowing Ghost of the Red Baron. Pick it up from Atlantis. Link down below. I'll find somewhere you can buy it. But again, Galactic Games and Things. Olney, Illinois is where I got mine. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.